Hello students, today we learn about oxides of nitrogen. You know students, nitrogen forms a number of oxides in different oxidation states. The important oxides of nitrogen are nitrous oxide, that is N2O, nitrogen monoxide, also called nitric oxide, that is NO. Then there is dinitrogen trioxide, that is N2O3. Next one is nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. Then dinitrogen tetroxide, that is N2O4. And finally we have dinitrogen pentoxide, that is N2O5. So these are the important oxides of nitrogen. You can see the structure, formula and description of the structure of these oxides in these structures. Now we'll study the important properties of these oxides one by one. So first we take up the nitrous oxide or dinitrogen oxide. Its formula is N2O. You know students, it is also called laughing gas. It is generally prepared by warming ammonium nitrate slowly to about 240 degrees Celsius. It is a gas which is generally soluble in icy water and very slightly soluble in boiling hot water. You know, nitrous oxide is a neutral oxide. It is a molecule with linear shape and is a resonance hybrid of the two structures, which you can see here. The bond lengths in the atoms are 113 per molecule and 119 per molecule as shown here. Now we come to the next important oxide of nitrogen, that is nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide. You know its formula is NO. It can be manufactured by reduction of nitrite salt with ferrous sulfate. You can see the reaction of sodium nitrite with ferrous sulfate in presence of sulfuric acid to prepare the nitric oxide. Then you know nitric oxide is a colorless gas which achieves blue shading when melted. It is sparingly solvent in water. That is, it is slightly soluble in water. It is likewise a neutral oxide. It is a molecule with linear shape and is a resonance hybrid of the two structures. The bond length is 115 picometer, which is intermediate between double bond and triple bond. Also, you know, it is paramagnetic in nature. You can see the structure of nitric oxide here in the diagram. Then students, we come to the next oxide of nitrogen, that is dinitrogen trioxide. Its formula is N2O3. It is acquired as a blue fluid when a combination of nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide or dinitrogen tetroxide is cooled less than minus 20 degrees Celsius. That means it can be prepared from nitric oxide, dinitrogen tetroxide by cooling them below minus 20 degrees Celsius, as you can see here in the reaction. Dinitrogen trioxide is an anhydride of nitrous acid. You know nitrous acid, HNO2, which is acidic in nature. It is a planar shape and it is a resonance hybrid of the two forms which are shown here. That is, these are the two hybrid structures of N2O3, that is dinitrogen trioxide. Now we come to the next important oxide of nitrogen, which is nitrogen dioxide or NO2. You know students, NO2 can be prepared by heating lead nitrate at a temperature of about 673 Kelvin. You can see the reaction here for its preparation. Nitrogen dioxide is a gas that is brown in color. It is a combined anhydride of nitrous acid and nitric acid. It is an acidic oxide with angular shape. The bond angle is 134 degree and bond length is 120 picometer. The atom is found as a resonance hybrid and is paramagnetic substance. Because of nearness of unpaired electron, it dimerizes to a colorless dinitrogen tetroxide, that is N2O4, which is a dimer of NO2 that has even number of electrons. At low temperatures, nitrogen dioxide partners to solid dinitrogen tetroxide. Thus, they are interconvertible, NO2 and N2O4, as you can see here in the structures. Now, the last important oxide of nitrogen is dinitrogen pentoxide, that is N2O5. Now upon dehydration of nitric acid with phosphorus pentoxide, this oxide, that is dinitrogen pentoxide, is prepared. It is a colorless crystalline deliquescent solid which readily dissolves in water to give nitric acid. It is an anhydride of nitric acid which is acidic in nature. It has a planar shape and is a resonance hybrid of the two forms as shown below. The planar structure can be seen just in its vapor state. It is ionic in the solid state. The solid state is alluded to as nitronium nitrate. That is, it is also called nitronium nitrate. So this was all about the different oxides of nitrogen, their basic structure, their basic physical properties, and their method of preparation. Now students, generally many students ask me, it's difficult to remember the structure of oxides of nitrogen. So for that, I can give you a trick, a simple formula to calculate the number of bonds which will be present between different atoms. Just by remembering that, you can easily draw the structure of these oxides of nitrogen. So we start with the first oxide, that is nitrous oxide. Now in N2O, how many atoms are there? 3. For 3 atoms, total number of electrons for 3 octets is 24. 3 into 8, 24. Now, what is the total number of valence electrons here? We know nitrogen and oxygen. These are the only 2 atoms involved in oxides of nitrogen. We know valence electrons of nitrogen, it is 5. We know valence electrons of oxygen, it is 6. So, total number of valence electrons in case of N2O becomes 10 plus 6, 16. When we subtract 16 from 24, what do we get? 8. You divide it by 2, you get 4. So you will see in the structure of N2O there are present 4 bonds. So by this formula you come to know the total number of bonds which will be present in the structure. And then it will become very easy for you to remember the structures. Similarly, now if we come to the next oxide, that is NO, nitric oxide. For 2, there are 2 atoms. So for 2 octets, number of electron is 16. And here the total number of valence electron is 5 plus 6, 11. Now remember, it is an odd number. So it is an odd electron molecule. Always remember. So 16 minus 11 is 5, which is an odd number. So we'll just subtract that one odd electron, and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So total number of bonds present between two atoms in this molecule is again 2, as you can see in the structure. Likewise, you can calculate the number of bonds in all the structures. For instance, if we come to the next structure, N2O3. Now, how many atoms total? 5. That means total number of octet, 5 8s are 40. Now, total number of valence electrons, 2 nitrogen atoms, 3 oxygen atoms. So, that makes total number of valence electrons 28. 40 minus 28 is 12. So, total number of bonds is 6. That you can see in the structure. Then we come to the next oxide, that is NO2. There are total 3 atoms. So, total number of octet, 3 into 8, 24. Total number of valence electrons here is 17. So, that means again it is an odd electron molecule. So, we just divide 16 by 2. So, instead of 17, 24 minus 17, that becomes 7. So, we just remove one odd electron and we divide 6 by 2. So, we get 3. So, total number of bonds in the structure, you can see it is 3. So, likewise, you can calculate the total number of bonds in the molecule N2O4, N2O5 also. And it will become very easy for you to remember the structure of these oxides of nitrogen. So, students, I think you enjoyed learning about these oxides of nitrogen. Okay.